So doing just a little quick project today on the 03 VTX. So since I've had the bike, it's had these brackets for highway pegs, but I've never had highway pegs. And especially this bracket with how far out space this makes the bolts, which these aren't even for this bike. Obviously, I don't think anything about these floorboards are for this bike, but whatever, it's fine. It was stopping this floorboard from actually setting all the way down, and riding it kind of feels like my right foot's higher than my left foot, which I haven't measured the bracket height yet. I just checked where the floorboards sit, and it's about the same from the ground, assuming my lift and everything here is level. So we're gonna see if that helps, I suppose. But yeah, we got that one off. I need to get some bar stock or some proper spacers, but reusing spacers it had, added on some nuts for spacers, it'll be alright for now. So got this side done, and then we're gonna do the same on this side, obviously. So just little cleaning up crap off of it.